Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This look I have created emphasizing on self-love as Valentine's Day is around the corner. This is my attempt of showing love for myself. As you guys can see, I wore this corset top which may look a bit sexy and sensational, but if I want to make this look as cute, then I can quickly add a pastel color blazer and I'll be able to change this look on the go.
Now without any further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. I've already done my skincare, and for my skin prep I'm taking this vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown. This is a very good face base and it can also be applied on the eyelids. I'll apply this all over my face and eyelid so as to create a smooth canvas before I start with my makeup. For my lips I'm going in with Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. It will instantly hydrate my lips and it also slightly plump my upper lips. I'll be using a good generous amount of this product on my lips. Then I'm applying eyeshadow base from NYX Professional Makeup. You can even apply your concealer or a foundation, and I'm using my fingers to blend this product all over my eyelid. For my eyeshadow, I'm taking Lakme Absolute Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. First taking a mauve shade on a fluffy brush and I'm applying it on the crease of my eyes and also on my upper crease. Going from outer corner of my eyes towards inner corner of my eyes in a swiping motion. Then I'm picking a peachy shade from the palette and I'm applying it all over my eyelid. This is a very simple peachy eye makeup look, so I'll go further and apply the same peach shade, one more coat of it. For my eyeliner, I am taking Lakme Absolute Shine Line and I'll be creating a winged eyeliner because it is the most flattering eyeliner look. Now I'm taking an eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes, and I won't be going in with a falsie, so that's why this step is important here. And then I'm applying the mascara. This one is Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal Paris and it instantly adds some more volume to my eyelashes. I'll be applying the 2 coats of this mascara on my upper eyelashes and then I'll apply this mascara on my lower eyelashes as well. For this look, I'm applying white kohl eyeliner on my waterline. This will make eyes look bigger than it is. Also guys, can you notice that my upper lip has become more plumper than it was? Now let's move on to the face makeup, and I'm taking rose gold oil from the Beauty Co and I'll apply it on my face to further hydrate it as I have a dry skin type. For my today's foundation, I'm taking my Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation and I'm mixing it with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, as I've seen that Lakme's foundation is having more thicker consistency and I like more of a natural like finish, so that's why I've lightened it up using my Makeup Forever foundation. And I'm applying my foundation as I always do, and if you want to see a tutorial on how to apply the foundation, then I'll leave the tutorials link on the description box below and you can check the same. Also, please do not forget to apply your foundation on the neck as well. It's only recent that I started to use the products from Swiss Beauty, and this is their concealer that I'm actually loving it, and I've also found their range quite reasonable and they really perform well. I'll be applying this concealer on all the usual places of my face. Then with the help of my beauty sponge, I'll just blend my concealer. I really find it quite convenient to use a makeup sponge than brushes to blend the product, and it's quite cheap as well. If you are a beginner, then I'll really suggest you guys to try this out. Maybe you will fall in love with a makeup sponge as I did. Also, my dream girls, do let me know in the comment section below what are your Valentine's Day plan for this year. Moving on to lips, I'm taking this shade Saucy from Vinyl Lip Collection of Maybelline, and this is a very beautiful peachy shade and it also have a glossy touch to it, so it is a perfect for the Valentine's beauty of this range is like, after it dries up, it gives a matte finish but it still looks glossy. After I've applied this peachy shade, my eyes and my lips both are in sync and they are shouting peach, peach, peach please. Now for finishing my complete eye look, I'm going in with my peach shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm taking a pencil brush to just smudge my eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Then I'll be taking my liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. It is in the shade 04 Smoky Storm and I'll apply it in the inner corner of my eyes and I'll also apply it on the brow bone area. Then using my finger to blend it out. For my blush, I am taking Soft Matte Cream Blush from LA Girl and it is in the shade Cutie. It is a very beautiful peachy shade. Also, you can see that here as well I'm using my makeup sponge to just blend my blush. To set my makeup, I'm taking this HD powder from Essence, and first I'll just apply it beneath my eyes, and then I'll take really light amount of this product and spread all across my face. For contouring, I'm taking this contour shade from K Beauty, and I'll create some depths and shadows on my face and also on my chin. I never like to skip on my contouring because it really cheeses up your face if you do it correctly. Going on a little extra, and I'm also contouring my nose. For my highlighter, I'm taking this pearlish shade from Swiss Beauty Baked Blush and Highlighter, and I'll apply it on my cheekbones and also my brow bone area. Also highlighting the bridge of my nose. Then I'm taking a round brush to just blend my highlighter so that there is no harsh line visible. Also, then I noticed that my blush was looking a little dull, so I applied this peachy powder shade from Flower Beauty. Then taking a setting spray to just set my makeup, and this one is from Smashbox. Now this will help in melting my all the powdery product. And then I'm going back again with my highlighter and just highlighting what I did before, just as to make them look more prominent. And ta-da, this is my final look. Let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, bye.